Wagwan, hope all is well. So I'm going to be reading a post that is on VYBZ KARTEL Instagram. I don't know if it was written by VYBZ KARTEL or whoever is reading his page, but it is on VYBZ KARTEL Instagram, alright? And this was written on Thursday, March 9th of 2020 around about 10:11 Jamaica time. Alright, and it reads, Italy, Spain, France, Germany, and USA are first world countries with the best doctors, medicine, and hospitals. As a matter of fact, these countries have real scientists, yet thousands of people are dying daily in these countries. Thousands daily in first world countries. And I can't stress this enough. So imagine when it got in the Jamaican ghettos. Stop effing take this for a joke, it effing serious. It not spread the right way yet, but mark my word, Jamaica can't manage COVID outbreak. We are not equipped. Tomorrow stay a yard. Unless it's absolutely necessary, you must discipline yourself or we are going to get F. Me not talk for Babylon. Me a talk for Jamaica poor people. Please be careful. So that is the warning coming from VYBZ KARTEL's page, warning people for our Good Friday. You know, we're going to East and normally people love go beach and stuff like that. And, you know, social distancing still a keep. So if you don't have no reason for the road, do the road. And then him follow it up with a next post sharing what P. Diddy has to say.
A real life or death state of emergency. I'm calling out to the African American community to give you some facts. We are in a life or death state of emergency. 1 out of 10 Americans are black. 1 out of 2 of the corona fatalities are black. We are in trouble, my people. We have to come together. We have to communicate. They're not going to give us any time on the news. They're not going to come up with the solutions for us. We have to come up with our own solutions. Check this out. Okay? In Illinois, out of 15%, 42% is African American. In Louisiana, African American. In Michigan, 41% African American. Out of 16,000 deaths, 8,000 of them are African